Welcome to POP, Pacific Ocean Producers, here in beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. And today is their expo with dealers from around the world representing different products.
Aloha, welcome to POP. I'm Danford, this is Sakil.
Okay.
You work over here, so hurry on down. Got him.
And you guys have your expo today, right?
Yep.
Would you like to explain what the expo is about and who's going to be here?
Sales?
Discounts?
Discount?
You're going to have giveaways?
Blowouts? Yeah. And then we have some vendors outside also.
Super.
Come on down, yep.
Okay, so again, this is Danford and Sakil. Thank you. These flies worked. I've used these flies, and I've caught papio and barracuda with them. The whitewater lures really do work. They're good lures. Nice selection of dive gear as well. Everything's on sale today, so come on down. Fantastic selection.
She had 4,000. That's a great deal.
That's a great reel for whipping lake rigs
yeah.
with, yeah. And my favorites, CHL grubs. Another one of my favorites, which is started here in Hawaii by Bill Newton, are the hammer bombs. These hammer bombs are called the flash bombs for night use, as you can see. This is fantastic stuff. Another fantastic product are the Acme Castmasters. It's hard to get the larger ones like the 2 ounce, but they have them here. Good selection on fishing line and trolling rods. Fantastic selection on skirts, leaders, wire rigs, anything you need to make your own lures. The color and the selection is pretty darn good. Beautiful hand-poured resin heads. Here's Danford marking some skirts. These are some of my favorites. The chrome jet heads. I love these things. A lot of sales going on by local distributors. This is Shimano booth with great sales on their products.
I'm not sure if she's set up yet.
Oh, okay.
Let me find the lady, okay?
Okay, this is the Penn booth. Showing some of the beautiful Penn reels. Oh yeah, and the beautiful Penn guy over there. All right. Great products going on today. Okay, this young gentleman is going to try to get the lures into the holes, so go for it. Oh, almost. Almost. The famous Yeti containers. And the Yeti bucket. You notice with this type of design that you can sit on it, it won't break. That's what makes these things indestructible. This is the DAR, Division of Aquatic Resources.
Here to support fishermen today. Give them some posters about identifying. If anybody has questions on rules or regulations, we're the division that creates all the state's regulations, and we also have a little fishing simulator set up today. So people can actually come and learn how to fish if you're fishing off the back of a boat, similar to deep ocean charter fishing.
Yeah, I've seen these. These look like fun.
Yeah, yeah, definitely a good time.
All right, thank you.
One of my cards, so if you ever want some information, you can contact me and we can set you up with some fishing instructions.
DAR is in charge of the fishing regulations here in Hawaii. It's an educational group educating the people of Hawaii rules and regulations on fishing.
We're at the POP event, and I wanted to show you guys our Rockaway surf rod. This is a new rod we just introduced a few months ago. It's 24-ton carbon blank. Really light, really responsive. It has our UFR tip. The UFR tip is a patented technology that we have in which we use some longitudinal glass fibers over the carbon to reinforce the tip. Gives you a little bit more lifting power and great sensitivity. We put C-Guide 316 stainless guides on here with zirconium inserts. You can use them with braid or with mono. You won't have any corrosion issues whatsoever. We finish the rod off with tapered shrink tube, very comfortable, very lightweight, an EVA butt cap, make the rod a little more durable if you're putting it in rocks. These rods retail between $99 and $110. And again, brand new, series of lengths, really doing well here in the islands. Really just tailor-made for the fishing that you guys are doing. Another rod that we want to talk to you about is a family that we're just showing right now. It's going to be out in a couple weeks. Is our new Hawaiian Custom Series. In the Hawaiian Custom Series, we're going to have two types of rods. We're going to have Alua rods, and we're going to have an Empachi rod. This is an Alua rod right here. This happens to be the heavy. There's going to be a medium heavy. The medium heavy is just slightly lighter than they're both 13 foot. You've got your aluminum butt section. Okay. You've got shrink tube. You have a bell keeper. You've got your stainless ring guide all the way up. This is a new cosmetic from our HTS that we made a few years ago. These are going to be out in a few weeks, and the two Alua rods are going to be priced really competitive. It'll be $199 at retail, which is a great price.
I'm glad to see you guys coming out with this because this takes the place of the older model you had, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good replacement for it. Now this is just a prototype of the Menpachi rod. We're going to have 3 lengths in Menpachi. We're going to have a 10-7, a 12, and a 13. You see here a new cosmetic again. This rod, when we come out with it, is going to be all TPE black grips. No
Oh, the black would be nice.
Yeah, just to add the durability. Again, these are prototypes. This is kind of our last week to come out here and fish them a little bit before we bring the final product out. So, these are going to retail from $119 to $139, depending on those 3 lengths, and they're going to be available about 2 or 3 weeks.
You have some good lengths you mentioned on this. It's going to be very important for getting your baits and your lures really far from shore.
Yeah, we have a 12 and a 13, which we had previously, but we made a shorter 10-7. This is a little bit faster rod, has great lifting power.
Will it come with the black handles?
It will be black. This is a wind grip overwrap that we're using just to show the color.
Right.
It's going to be a TPE material, which is denser than EVA, and we'll have that. The final product will be a black grip. So you'll see that black and blue cosmetic.
This is such a sexy looking rod. I like that one.
Good. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, we're excited. We love the Hawaiian market. The people over here are great. And we had a lot of success with our Hawaiian series a few years ago. It was just time to update it and bring something fresh and new for you guys. So we're looking forward to seeing them at use out here with the anglers.
Well, I'm glad to see these rods coming out because when the T40X series was discontinued, I was so disappointed. And now you guys have updated that, which took the best ideas from the older rods and incorporated to the new rods.
Yep.
I can hardly wait for this.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
All right. Well,
Appreciate
thank you so much.
Thank you.
POP has one of the largest boating selections on the island. I've outfitted 7-8 boats for the past 20 years here. Got my anchors, chains, everything from POP.